Okay, so I was mentioning the other day that I paint my canvases red when I paint with acrylics. I use that as my underpainting. So I thought today, wow, you know, I'm doing this watercolor. Why not? Let's do red on it and see if I can build it from there. All right, I'm just going to go for it, right? Just have to go for it and leap of faith. So this is all I'm going to do right now. I'm going to sit here and paint all of these red. Okay, I'm not getting a lot of movement because I did it all in one layer, but I am going to add some water to this front one. Just for some variation. I'm going to leave these back ones a little bit darker. Pull some more paint off of that one. That's kind of cool. All right. Just some differentiation. Okay, I'm going to do these others differently. Quite what I want. We'll try this way. I don't think I'm going to like it as much. Totally different feel. Okay. Whatever. I would be super curious to know if you guys have ever tried this. I think it's going to be really awesome. I've done enough of them to know what technique to use now. So I paint them red, I blot them, and then I might wet the middle and then just blot the middle again, and it's going to remove even more red. Just like that, and kind of leave it all around the edges. So that's what I've been doing here. So I'm going to add a little bit of this brownish red. So like somewhere between this burnt sienna and maroon color, I'm going to start adding that. Oh, the Indian red. I like the Indian red. Let's do that. Water it down and let's see what happens. I'm going to add a little water. Might switch back just to some cadmium again, since it's coming out of the shadows a little bit maybe. I'm going to continue out these last few. Why am I avoiding the stem? I'm not really sure. I don't know what I'm going to do with the stem yet. I probably should be painting it red. Okay, and the last little bit. I think I'm going to make these this darker Indian red. Just because these leaves look bigger and older, I think they should be more brown. I do want these to stain down here, so I might leave them on just a tick longer. If you missed the video of me drawing these eucalyptus leaves, you can always look back in my videos here on YouTube. I'm excited to be a part of the channel now, and I'm excited to bring you guys at least a couple videos a week. That's my plan right now. All right, I'm going to go back up here. I think I waited too long on that one, but it's in the corner. It's almost like it's undercover more. I am going to wet this one leaf here though. This is the next layer. That took about 32 minutes for me to complete. So my plan now is, now that I have the red on there, I can then go back with just some low lights and some highlights. I'm going to view this tint of red as the middle tone. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and let's see what else we can do with it. All right, until next time.